Did you know AI agents are making regular people $10,000 a month? While they sleep, no coding, no BS, this is the future of passive income and it's exploding right now. The agentic AI market is projected to hit $45 billion in 2 years, but early adopters are already pocketing life-changing cash. How? Autonomous AI agents, these bots work 24/7, handling tasks like customer service, marketing, and data analysis, while you collect the profits. How is this even possible? Autonomy is the game changer. These agents don't just follow scripts, they learn, adapt, and make decisions. For example, customer service AI like Clara resolved 80% of support tickets for a SaaS company and added $40 million to its annual profit. Marketing tools like AutoGPT analyze trends, tweak ad bids in real time, and boost ROI by 300% for e-commerce brands. Data platforms like Glean automate financial reports, saving businesses to 100+ hours a month on analytics. Could this replace your 9-to-5? Meet James, a freelance designer who built an AI-powered iOS app in 3 days no code. It automates viral Instagram Reels templates and earns him $11,166 monthly on autopilot. Or Sarah, who deployed an AI agent for dynamic pricing on her Shopify store and tripled her revenue in 30 days. The tools they used. AgentGPT builds custom AI agents with plain English commands. Sandbox automates email management, saving 8 hours a week. Prediction Guard forecasts stock trends and crypto swings. Platforms like Make.com and Zapier let you connect AI agents to any business. Here's how. Use BARDEN.ai to scrape leads from LinkedIn. Train a ChatGPT- for bot to pitch them via email. Profit. One user closed $15,000 in deals while hiking in Bali. Why aren't you doing this? The AI agent economy is booming with 1.2 million AI jobs projected by 2026, but ethical questions loom. Always disclose AI use to clients. Tools like Simulacra clone your voice and personality for 24/7 sales calls. Ethically, this isn't sci-fi, it's 2024, and the money is real.